Now we're gonna make this adorable little tutu. So what I've done here is taken my Bowdabra bow wire, folded it in half, and I'm just gonna lay this down into my Bowdabra, just tuck the ends underneath. Then I'm gonna take my elastic and I'm just gonna stick that down into the Bowdabra. Then I have some tulle that I pre-cut, and I'm just gonna lay this into my Bowdabra. And I'm gonna take another piece of tulle and just lay that into the Bowdabra. And I'm making this actually for Mardi Gras, but you can make this for any time of year. So now I'm just going to take my tubular mesh and lay this in here. And now I'm going to take my green ribbon and lay that in here. And then I have pre-cut these little pieces of grosgrain. I'm gonna add in a little bit of this yellow tulle, just a little strip that I cut. And now I'm gonna just add in my little orange piece of ribbon there, and this cute little dollar store mariachi rattle. But what I love about it is we actually added paint on it to make it a little more colorful. So now here, I'm going to just pull this through my loop because I have a slip knot. I'm gonna hold the bow really tight in the Bowdabra, bring it up. Before I pull it out, I'm gonna separate the ends, and then I'm just gonna bring it around and tie it. Take another piece of Bowdabra bow wire, fold it in half, and lay it down into the Bowdabra and just tuck the ends underneath. And now I'm going to put my elastic in, and I'm just gonna put it a little bit further over. I'm gonna take my green tulle and I'm gonna lay another piece of green tulle in here, and then a piece of yellow. And for all the rest of these, I'm gonna just make them exactly the same. So now I'm going to bring my wire up, hold my bow down, pull the wire tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, bring it out, separate the ends, and bring it around to the back. And I'm gonna continue making these, but rather than have you watch me make them all, I'm just gonna show you how we're gonna finish it off. Is we're just gonna bring these two ends together, take a piece of Bowdabra bow wire, fold it in half, and just wrap it right around here. And you could, actually what I think I might do, just to make it a little bit easier, is I'm just gonna take a glue dot so I can hold this together with the glue dot, then grab my piece of Bowdabra bow wire, bring it around here, and just tie it, pull this through the slip knot, separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and just tie a knot, which will finish off my tutu. And then you have this adorable little tutu with our cute little model wearing it. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below, and also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.